Welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change your username in the Clubhouse app on phone. We will walk through the exact screens, explain the confirmation message, and share tips to avoid errors and limits. First, open the Clubhouse app on your device. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top right. Then, tap on the gear icon settings. In the settings menu, you will see your profile name displayed at the top. Tap on your profile name to open the profile options. Next, on your profile page, tap your current username just below your name. Then, type the new username you want to use. Then, tap Update at the bottom of the screen. Finally, confirm the change by tapping Looks Good to apply your new handle. Important note: Clubhouse only allows changing your username once time. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share. Thanks for watching.